From our new roof range, the dome-styled Boulder 2 tent is a great lightweight entry-level option, while still featuring the well-known Roben's attention to detail and technical choice of materials. The transverse alloy ridge pole creates not only a great roomy feel inside the tent, but provides adequate storage space at either side of the tent. The twin doors allows each camper separate access and their own porch area for storage. The inner doors packs neatly away into their storage pockets and gives a great view out. Thank you for watching. Now go check out our wide range of sleeping bags and self-inflating mats at robens.de.